Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghirardelli chocolate chip cookies. First, let's start with the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Next, we'll prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough, as this can make your cookies tough. Now for the best part, the chocolate. Gently fold in 2 cups of Ghirardelli chocolate chips. You can use a mix of milk and semi-sweet for extra flavor. Once the chocolate is evenly distributed, cover the bowl and chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for developing flavor and preventing your cookies from spreading too much. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.